You feel me? It's your boy NOG Don back again with another video. In today's video, you feel me? I will be sponging my hair after 2 years, you feel me? After 2 years, I will be sponging my hair. If you don't get the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at NOG Don. And comment below what type of video y'all want me to do. But that's all now, so let's get right into the video. Alright, you feel me? So I'll be sponging my hair after 2 years. That's crazy. I haven't used this sponge. Ooh. About 2 years, you feel me? That's a long ass time, bro. And I don't know how it's gonna turn out, what my hair gonna do. It's probably gonna get more frizzy. I ain't even finna cap to you. Yes, sir. So we finna just get this started right here, you feel me? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Alright, let's get it. I'm gonna try to do, I forgot, I went this direction. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna just give y'all a little look around how I look. 360. That's how I look right there. Alright, so let's get it. Bow. Yeah, make sure you get every little angle. So it's like a how-to video, I guess, too. Alright, I'm gonna just say how. Alright, you just boom, boom. Go the same direction, circle, boom. That's how you do. Pow. Circle the direction. Man, it feel weird, but I feel like I ain't even doing nothing. Man, you making me this look crazy. Alright, let me just keep on. Even get the upper. I'm just. I need a haircut. I know I'm gonna get a haircut actually, hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. But I'm gonna just boom, get that. Keep going. All over. Keep going. You wanna go for like a little while too. You don't wanna just be done after a minute. Like keep going for like at least 20 minutes, you know? But I ain't finna go that long because it's like pointless, you know? But yeah, go for like 20 minutes, do like 3 sections a day. So like, you do it in the morning, do it in the afternoon, do it at night before you go to sleep. Just keep doing it 3 times a day. It's the same direction, circle of motion. Make sure you stay in that like spot for a little while. Then go to the next one. Bow, bow. Then go to the next one. Then go to the next one. Then go to the next one. You just keep doing that. So I'm gonna just be doing it for a little bit, just so y'all can get the gist of what to do. Wow, damn, it's been 2 years for me ever doing that. I haven't really did nothing to my hair. Alright, I guess it's like a little mini retwist, you know? I don't know. So just keep going though. Woo! Keep going. Make sure you get every section. If you gotta pull your hair away a little bit, make sure you get that section good. Make sure you get the roots. And keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. I ain't gonna lie, it's tiring, bruh. Yeah, your arm do get tired. If you gotta switch arms, try. But, you know, I can't do that. I gotta do my left. I can't do it my right. Look, this is how I do it with my right. It's like awkward, bruh. I can't do it, bruh. Hey, look, nah. Y'all probably the same way. But just keep doing it. Boom. If you need to take a break, get back to it. Bow. Get in it, you feel me? You gotta do it hard. But if you do it too hard, you're gonna see your scalp, like your scalp, and I don't really like that look, like seeing your scalp like that. When you do it hella hard, like make it those little, like sections, like big old, like not like a bald spot, but.
Your Highness, I'm sure it's not that noticeable.
All right.
Like you can see the scalp. But if you want to do that, you can do that. But I try to do like medium, like not too light, because if you do too light, you ain't really gonna get in there like you're supposed to. But not too hard that you're gonna really see your scalp. So I just try to do like medium. You feel me? Medium and steady pace. So medium, steady pace. Just keep going like that. I don't know if it's changing anything. I ain't from Captain. I don't even know. And if you like your hair don't really lock up too fast, you can also use like locking gel, you know? Locking gel, put it on a sponge or twist it up with your hair. You know, it helps out speed the process up, you know, if you just impatient or it just won't lock up. But it's definitely good for sectioning. That's why I like the sponge. And that's why I keep it, because you never know if I start over. But yeah, it's like it's good for section off your, like, it's good for starting up your dress, you know. I advise a sponge, but you know what? It's actually pretty good, pretty decent. I like using the towel too. I'm gonna do another video on that. If y'all want me to use the towel after 2 years too, comment below. Use the towel, do the towel. You know, I'll do that. That's pretty much. Look, it's like I got BDBs now. Look at that, crazy. And I don't use the side. Man, look how perfect this side look after 2 years. And look at this one. Wow, this one talking. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? He used me. He abused me.
Help me! Help me! Nigga! Help me!
I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, this how the sponge look after 2 years. Wait, how long did I have this sponge for? Probably 3 years. Who knows? I don't remember. But yes, sure. And the only third time I had a sponge, the first time I ever had a sponge, you feel me? No, I ever saw a sponge. Well, when my brother brought one home. Cause barber, he used it on his head. Then he brought one home one day. I was like, wait, what is this? What is this? I didn't know what it was. I was crazy. I was like 2015. Then I just started using it. You feel me? But yeah, man, the sponge actually do good. Pretty worth it. Like 10. I don't know if it went up, but it was like $10. It was like $10. I don't know. But man, that's pretty much it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even doing that too much. I ain't cap. But that's like after 2 years. That's how I'm looking right now. I don't know if it did a little bit, but I think if it made it more frizzy. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of the video. Do a little thumbnail. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. One of those probably gonna be the thumbnail. Y'all can check it out. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. You feel me? So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at NOV Don. I hope this video helped y'all out because I technically did get a little tutorial and explain how to use the sponge. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment below what type of video y'all want me to do. But that's all in that sin. It's been your boy NLG Don. You feel me? And peace. But yeah, I'm finna do a little school video too, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned if y'all want me to do a towel video. But yeah, peace.